Who wouldn't want a single-story home sitting on almost half an acre in beautiful Las Vegas that has just been renovated floor to ceiling? Thanks so much for joining us, folks. We have another fantastic home tour for you. As mentioned, we're in beautiful, sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. The weather is absolutely gorgeous out there. I'm not sure where you're at, but your weather's probably not as great as it is here. Just giving you a quick glimpse around this neighborhood. This home was built in 2006. I did mention that it has been completely renovated, and I want to say thanks to my friend Alejandro Leon with Galindo Group for allowing us into this beautiful home today. So my name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage, your trusted source for all things real estate, and this is 7580 Prancing Pony Court. Cool name, right? I thought so too. So this house, let's get into it. 4,070 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bath. The lot's 18,731 square feet. All public utilities. You can see we do have an RV gate over here. You'd need to do a little bit of work. Make this usable. Nice, big, beautiful entryway into the home. Do have a side entrance right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get inside this house, shall we? As mentioned, everything has been renovated. So you have amazing finishes, countertops, flooring, fixtures, paint, you name it. Gorgeous slider right there into the backyard. So we walk into the house and this is what we initially see. This is like your hangout room, kind of living room area. There is a separate one too. There's a little wet bar over here, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the kitchen, then come check out the rest of the house. All right, so we are now, this will be in your fully custom kitchen. You got this beautiful center island with this beautiful stonework, the waterfall edges. You've got the lips so you can have your bar stools sitting right there. You got these nice little drop lights coming in. All new appliances in this property, double ovens, big 6-burner gas cooktop over there. You got your pot filler. And let's just take a minute and kind of explore around this house, shall we? New cabinets, everything is soft shut. You got to push them to get them to shut, right? So this is kind of cool, right? Have you seen these dishwashers where it's like kind of like 2 dishwashers? So pretty neat. Got your microwave right here. And then if you're a big wine drinker, you can have a nice little display section of wine right here. Got another beautiful back wall here with floating shelves, lights, sconces, and additional storage. Now this breakfast nook is pretty cool. I think what makes it so cool is this window. So you have frameless windows, there's no house, there's no metallic. You just have the 3 pieces of glass right here that go in a, I don't know if it would be a complete octagon, but it's kind of has that little vibe to it right there. You can see in the pool, you got beautiful mountain views right there of the Sheep Mountains. Got Gas Peak right up here too. It's an awesome place to go hike to. If you haven't done it, I recommend it. It's not too bad. And that leads us over to this other living room area. You've got your electric fireplace right there. You got your insert for your TV. You got some shelving right there to put some decor or whatever it is you would like to put. And you'll notice this is matching from the kitchen. Lots of natural light. Big ceiling fan. And we're just gonna walk into the backyard real quick. And if this is your first time or long time joining our channel, appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more news about real estate in Las Vegas, or if you're looking to buy or sell a property in Las Vegas, I would love to have that conversation with you. All right, side of the house over here, nice wide side yard. You have your 2 AC units right there. Now, if you're wondering what this little concrete thing to my right is, so that's a drainage easement. So if there was water flowing, that's how it's going to flow out. It does connect through the properties. You can see you've got a little gate right there. Other than that, pretty low maintenance. You do have a horse property right behind us. And then this whole entire area around here, these are all like half acre and above single family residents. So We are not too far, about 25 minutes from the airport, about 20 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip. Got a nice pool, self-cleaning, so you don't have to have the little snake floating around in there. Nice little waterfall action over here. And this would be where that gate is coming to the side of the yard, so you could park a boat trailer. You could probably get rid of this turf if you wanted to and make this a little bit longer, or do something with that turf. And you have a nice covered patio. This is east facing, and then let me go around this. So here's that big 3-panel slider. We have it all opened up for you, so just kind of gets that nice flow in and out of the house. And some things we missed when we first came in, so your formal dining area would be right here. That's the kitchen just over here, and let's just capture the rest of the property right quick. So we've got some nice sized secondary bedrooms. Got the nice shutters everywhere. It's got a walk-in closet over here to my right. And we do have a Jack and Jill bathroom splitting these 2 secondary bedrooms. Let me get some lights on. Everything's been redone in here. New cabinets, new countertops, flooring all over. And that's just going to be lead back here. So this would be the only bathroom that hasn't been redone. Shower at least, excuse me. That'll walk us right into the other secondary bedroom. Good sized rooms, nice high ceilings. And then right here we have our half bath. So this is just gonna be off the kitchen. So if you're entertaining, yeah, this is where your friends will go. Got a nice floater right there. Cool sink with design. And yep, I'm rocking a USA Hockey jersey, so big hockey buff right here, And we got the Winter Olympics coming up. And if you actually think the first events start tomorrow. So anyways, just supporting Team USA Hockey. Got a super cool laundry room right here. I do love this tile on the floor and the butcher block countertops in here. And then you also have the porcelain farm style sink in here, so it's pretty cool. Got some hanging racks, so you know not everything gets dried. Lots of things get hung up in the house. And then you've got your washer and dryer right there. Let's see, what's this right here? Is this a water valve? Yep. All right, so back here, we do have this double door, which is entrance into the house right off the front entryway to the property. And that's gonna lead us to this really large bedroom right here. This is an ensuite bedroom. It's got a huge walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. I don't know if you can quite tell how big that is, but it's a big closet. It has its own bathroom with a walk-in shower. And then you have this large bedroom. So this is a really big bedroom. And right off of this bedroom, we have the 3-car garage. Now this is a big 3-car garage, so it is deep. It's very deep, deeper than most 3-car garages. So you could easily pull in probably like a full-size quad cab pickup truck with an 8-foot bed in here, and have plenty of room to go. So over there you have a tankless hot water heater. You have your water softener for the house. You got some above head storage. And this door right here just leads to the side yard. We kind of took a peek at it. And what's nice about when you're on a bigger lot is, you know, some people care, some people don't care, but these homes are all about 30 to 35 feet apart. So you have about 15 to 16 feet from the house to the wall, and then depends on the shape of the house, setbacks, where that other property is. So, all right, let's go take a look at the primary bedroom and that little like entertainment area when you first come in the house, and we'll wrap this one up. So right off here off the main, we have like a wet bar station right here. Before we look at that, let's take a look at your home office right here. So if you work from home, this would be a great place to work from. Do have just have doors, so if you need a little privacy, a little quiet, you know, you can shut your doors. And then if you'd like to entertain, here we go. Nice little station right here. Sink, got a little fridge, additional storage. So plenty of plenty of space to entertain, and it's right off that slider. And that's going to take us into the primary bedroom, which is really big. It does have its own door leading right out into the backyard. So if you want to take that midnight swim, go right ahead. And that'll lead us into this gorgeous bathroom. Love the tile work. Look at that. Very cool. All new, all redone. All these mirrors. Everything's laid with gold. Awesome sinks, fixtures. Takes sort of this big shower, big walk-in shower. It's got 2 handhelds, 2 overheads, and then it's got a little bench there. Over here, you got some racks for your towels. You got that smoked mirror so no one can see in. You got your freestanding tub. Your bathroom's right there, and then here over here is the walk-in closet. So thanks for joining us. This home is for sale right now. So depending on when you watch this video, if you like this house, give me a call. We can talk about it, or if you have any questions about anything else real estate in Las Vegas, let's chat about all that. Thanks for joining. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Thank you.